I wanted to try a new pasta recipe out, so I played a bit with some ingredients and ended up cooking this light and aromatic pappardelle with mushrooms dish. 500 grams sliced champignon mushrooms, 250 grams pappardelle pasta, 1 teaspoon balsamic vinegar, half a teaspoon pepper and half a teaspoon chili flakes, 1 fresh rosemary and 1 fresh thyme twig, 50 grams shredded parmesan, 50 grams tomato paste, 100 grams finely diced shallot, 40 grams butter, 40 milliliters olive oil, 1 large garlic clove, 40 milliliters dry white wine and 1 egg yolk. To begin this recipe, bring a large pot of water to a boil and add 2 teaspoons salt. Cook the pasta until al dente, then scoop out and set aside 150 milliliters water from the boiled pasta and drain them. For the next step, we will take a large pan, add oil and the diced shallot and fry on medium heat for 5 minutes. Add now a teaspoon sugar and white wine and fry it on medium heat, stirring frequently until the shallot softens and the alcohol evaporates. Now add the tomato paste and mix it together with the shallot, frying it for another 2 minutes. It's time now to add the mushrooms, salt, pepper, and give it a quick stir. Now add fresh rosemary and thyme, pressed garlic, chili flakes, and balsamic vinegar. Let's add some butter now and cook it for 5 minutes on low heat. Continue by pouring the drained water from our pasta and cook for another 5 minutes until the sauce thickens a bit. When done, add your pasta over and stir gently to cover them with sauce while adding the egg yolk and cooking it for 2 minutes. To finish this simple and delicious dish, just add some parmesan shreds over and enjoy.